Introduction.
The Internet of Things has revolutionized the way devices communicate and share data. In this video, we'll explore different IoT communication models that underpin this technological marvel.
Device-to-device communication.
Device-to-device communication allows IoT devices to communicate directly with one another without relying on a central hub. This model is ideal for low latency and localized interactions.
Device-to-gateway communication.
Device-to-gateway communication involves devices connecting to a gateway, which acts as an intermediary between devices and the cloud. This model can improve network efficiency and reduce latency.
Device-to-cloud communication.
Device-to-cloud communication involves IoT devices sending data to cloud platforms for processing and storage. This model is often used for data analytics and remote management.
Mesh network communication.
Mesh networks allow IoT devices to communicate with each other, creating self-healing and redundant connections. This model is resilient and suitable for large-scale deployments.
Star topology communication.
Star topology, IoT devices communicate through a central hub, such as router or access point. This model is straightforward to set up, but can be a single point of failure.
Publish-subscribe communication.
Publish-subscribe communication allows devices to publish data to specific topics, and subscribers receive data from topics of interest. This model is efficient for distributing data to multiple recipients.
Conclusion.
As IoT continues to evolve, understanding and harnessing these communication models is key to building efficient, scalable, and secured IoT ecosystems. Whether it is a device-to-device, device-to-cloud, or any other model, IoT is reshaping the way the world connects and communicates.
For more stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.